Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your home to the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you tend to use Uber a lot and you always want to go ahead and go home with it. How do you actually go ahead and add your home to the Uber app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Settings. Then from here, towards the top, click on Add Home. Now, this is where you could actually add your address home so that you can actually go ahead and quick set it every time you need an Uber ride to home. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your home to the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.